Hello students, how are you all? So today we'll discuss our important chapter, that is our environment of class 10th. As you all know, environment is sum total of everything around an organism. ये organism के around जितनी भी physical, biochemical, biological activities, organisms, components present हैं उन सब का sum total होता है. The living and non-living factors, they influence the environment. Living factors and non-living factors both, they influence the environment. Also we can say environment is the complete range of external conditions under which an organism live. ये complete range है external conditions की. External condition you can say जितनी भी कंडीशंस फिजिकली होती हैं, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस को आप लगा सकते हैं, एडाफिक कैरेक्टर्स को आप लगा सकते हैं. ऑल दीज कंडीशंस दे अफेक्ट आवर एनवायरनमेंट एंड अफेक्ट आवर हेल्थ ऑल्सो. एज यू ऑल नो, हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. सो एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर हेल्थ टू. तो इन्वायरमेंट का एक अपना बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है, रोल है हमारी हेल्थ के लिए. Environment, it includes both physical and biological components which are dependent on each other. Physical और biological दोनों components को include करता है environment. Physical जो आपके components हैं वो abiotic components भी कहलाए जाते हैं. That may include soil, water, air, light, temperature, etc. While the biological components, they are the biotic components as well. So these includes, biotic means life, living. So these include plants, animals and microorganisms. So physical components को abiotic components भी कहा जाता है, नॉन लिविंग फैक्टर्स भी हम कह सकते हैं, एंड बायोलॉजिकल कंपोनेंट्स को हम लिविंग फैक्टर्स भी कह सकते हैं, बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स भी कह सकते हैं. आई हैव ऑल्सो गिवन द एग्जाम्पल्स टू यू. Abiotic components like soil, water, air, light, temperature, and biotic components like plants, animals and microorganisms. So environment in simple words is our surroundings. It is a sum total of everything around an organism. I have discussed this. The living and non-living factors both, they influence the environment. Now let's come on to the next topic, that is components of environment. So ये भी मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. Abiotic and biotic, these are two basic components of environment which influence our health, in which influence the surroundings. Abiotic components like non-living factors, soil, water, temperature, air, light, and living factors like plant, animals and microorganisms. So these are basically basic components of the environment which influence the environment, which are responsible, which are important for the healthy life of an organism. Now there are some negative factors also which influence the environment, and these are called waste. जो factors environment को negative manner में influence करते हैं, that are called as waste. So waste are the useless or discarded materials. They can maybe gaseous, liquid, solid, any state of matter they can be of in nature. So waste are the negative impacted substances or materials which are useless in the environment, and they influence the environment in the negative side, on the negative manner, right? So if we talk about the types of waste, then there are two types of waste called as biodegradable and non biodegradable waste. Biodegradable आप नाम से ही समझ रहे होंगे. Biodegradable means the living type of waste which can be degraded. Biodegradable waste, the waste which is broken down by biological processes, means which are broken down by the microbial activities, microbes यानी कि microorganisms. So these are type of waste that can be broken down by the biological activities are called biodegradable waste, that can be degraded easily by the microbial activities. Example, kitchen waste, sewage, cotton, cloth, etc. So these are the domestic kind of examples which you can seen under in the daily life, in the regular life basis. So biodegradable waste are easily degraded, are easily decomposed, while the non-biodegradable waste that cannot be broken down easily by the biological processes, for example plastic, polythene bags, etc. So these type of waste are called the non biodegradable waste, जो कभी डिग्रेड नहीं होते. प्लास्टिक कभी डिग्रेड नहीं होगा, इवन यू कैन बर्न इट बट तब भी नहीं होगा वो बर्न. पॉलीथीन बैन हो गया है, क्यों हुआ है? बिकॉज इट कॉजिंग अ काइंड ऑफ पॉल्यूशन टू द इन्वायरमेंट, वो इन्वायरमेंट को हार्म कर रहा है पॉलीथीन. बैग्स, जो बैग्स जूट बैग्स हैं वो आज की डेट में अभी करेंटली अवेलेबल हैं क्योंकि वो इको फ्रेंडली नेचर हैं, वो डिकम्पोज हो सकते हैं, डिग्रेड हो सकते हैं. बट पॉलीथीन बैग्स दे कैन नॉट बी डिग्रेडेड, so that's why they are non-biodegradable waste. Now they create the non-biodegradable waste, they create environment pollution as well. And pollution, you all know, it is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of air, water and soil. Of the physical characters, you can see air, water and soil are your physical characters, physical components. So इनके अंदर कोई भी एक ऐसा undesirable change जिसकी हमें कोई desire नहीं, जो हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ को, बायोलॉजिकल और फिजिकल केमिकल एक्टिविटीज़ को हार्म कर रहा है, उस काइंड ऑफ क्रिएशन को, चेंज को कहा जाता है एनवायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन.